Ayan, update po tayo dito sa ating wellness leave. Clarification on the availment of wellness leave by teacher during class days. So, may mga nakikita po mga post about po dito sa wellness leave policy. So, na-clarify po dito na ang teacher po ay pwede po siyang mag wellness leave during pong class days. Kailangan lamang po yung school head ay magbigay ng or mag-designate ng qualified teachers as relievers. So, for classes affected by the approved wellness leave. And yung teacher po na mag-undertake ng additional teaching or relieving duties shall be eligible for overload pay subject to applicable guidelines and condition under the Order number 5 series 2024. So kung ang teacher po ay sumobra doon sa 6 hours sa as a reliever, so pwede siya ditong magkaroon ng overload pay. At yung teacher po ay may karapatan mag wellness leave kahit po may pasok, kasi kung talagang kailangan naman yung wellness leave ay entitled po yung teacher. So ito lamang po yung clarification. Gusto nyo pong basahin, ito po ay memorandum from the Office of the Secretary and signed by Undersecretary and the Chief of Staff. So ito po ay clarification para po sa ating wellness leave na nag-aabil na teacher during class days. So malinaw naman po dito na pwede siya mag wellness leave at ang school head ay magde-designate ng qualified teachers as a relievers. So yun lamang po. Update dito sa ating pong department sa ating pong wellness leave.